Facebook. Did you know that Facebook created a platform specifically for buying and selling? Want to know how you can generate more income using this platform? Keep on watching. Hello everyone, I'm Lillian. Welcome back to my channel. In this channel we post tutorials and tips on mobile edit from photos to videos. Also we post on productivity and finance tutorials like this one. So if you're new, consider subscribing and click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos I'll be posting. So like I said earlier, in this video we're going to be looking at Facebook Marketplace. In case you've not heard of it, this is what Facebook Marketplace is. And Facebook Marketplace is literally about buying and selling. If you're a seller, this video is majorly for you, and if you're a buyer, you can actually learn things from this video.
So guys, the first you gotta do is open your Facebook. So in this tutorial you have to have a Facebook account. Then you gotta click on menu. Please, you guys should do me a favor on go and like my Facebook page. So let's get straight to it. So now we're gonna open our marketplace. You can see people sell tons of things, like from shoes to whatever. So next you gotta click on sell. You can see Facebook Marketplace allows you to sell items, vehicles, properties. This is amazing. So today's video I'm gonna be selling an item. Next you have to add your photos, and this should be one product, but you can have different perspective of that same product, front view, back view, whatever view you want. Next is to add a title. Let this be simple and catchy. Make sure this is simple and catchy. So in this tutorial I'm gonna be naming mine a two-piece let me say designer's outfit. And you guys should go ahead and follow me on my TikTok. Next you have to choose your price. We are selling, so there gotta be a price, and I'm just gonna choose 5,000. And you can also state how your product's condition is. Mine, I chose new. Next you have to choose a category. You have to be specific if you want your product to stand out. You'll see. And a description. I have a video in my TikTok that's this website helps to generate a good product description. So I'm just gonna be describing this as this designer's outfit just for this tutorial. Next you have to be specific on your location. This is, out of everything, I feel this is necessary. So I'm just gonna choose somewhere not so far. Even if you don't see your exact location, just choose somewhere close by, and you can use the drag to be sort of specific. So I'm just gonna choose this location, then you click apply. So you can see there are other details which are optional, but just for this video I'm just gonna assume I had this brand, which is Gucci, and I'm just gonna say try as much as possible to be as specific as possible with the color, the material, whatever it is. So if you've not checked out my IG page, go ahead and follow me on my IG. Go ahead and follow me on my TikTok. I post really good content there as well. So now I'm just going to be scrolling. You can see there are tons of materials there. I'm just going to choose cotton. And also, some of us don't want our friends to see that we're selling on Facebook Marketplace. You can also just hide from your friends. And you can see there are different groups that allows buying and selling. This is all forms of groups. And you can click on join and post your product in different groups at once. So next is to publish. You can say this is how my products looks like. This is a really, really good way for you to sell your product. If you want to make any changes, you can make changes. And the tags, guys, I didn't put any tags because it's just a short clip. And this availability, if you're selling wholesale, you can specify. If you're selling a single item, you can specify how your delivery is. It's necessary to put your delivery. If it's public meetup, door pickup, or drop off. In this video I'm just gonna tick on all of it, and you can see I'm just gonna remove ton of hide from friends, because who knows, I want my friends to patronize me as well. or you can just see these are all of the things. I didn't feel that I didn't add more photos, but you should add more photos. This way people are gonna get to you. So before you publish, you're gonna show you this again, in case you want to publish. So as soon as you publish, it's gonna say in review. Facebook has to review your product before it publishes it. You can see now it says active. It might say active, but it's not really active. You can see, if you read that properly, you're gonna see this listing is in review, though it showed active. But as soon as you're done, you posted, you just have to click on that, the stuff that look like someone's head. Then click on your listing. If you've sold it, you can mark sold. You can view listing now. You can see now this product of mine is active. You can see my location. You can see when I join Facebook. All of this is gonna bring trust between your buyers and you. If you want to share, you can also share, for people to get to you. These are just all other parts of Facebook Marketplace, just for you to be specific. Just try as much as possible to be specific. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks.
Make sure you subscribe if you've not, and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and leave a comment in the comment section on what video you want me to make. Well, what's next you want me to make video.